Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to follow a bonus signal on the DSJ Exchange PG Wealth Sharing. First, open the DSJ website or app on your PC or mobile device. Log in using your username or email and password, and complete two-factor authentication if it's enabled. Next, navigate to the trading section, then go to signals and select bonus signals. Here, you will see a list of available signals shared by BG Wealth or other verified sources. Each signal provides important details, the asset or trading pair, for example, BC or USD, a buy or sell recommendation, the entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels. Take a moment to analyze the signal before deciding to follow it. Now, click follow or copy signal. Confirm the trade size or quantity you want to use. If your account has the copied feature enabled, DSJ will automatically replicate the trade in your account. After entering the trade, track your position in open trades. You can adjust the stop loss or take profit if needed. And you also have the option to close the trade manually if you want to exit early. Once the trade is complete, review your profit or loss. Keep a record of successful and unsuccessful signals to help you evaluate and follow bonus signals more effectively in the future. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.